Hey everyone, in this video we'll be learning about number system. So what is a number system? A number system is a set of values used to represent different quantities. For example, total number of students in a class, number of tickets, etc. The total number of digits used in a number system is called its base or radix. Number systems is of four types: decimal number system, binary number system, octal number system, and hexadecimal number system. Important. The rightmost digit is called least significant digit, while the leftmost digit is called most significant digit. Decimal number system. It consists of 10 digits from 0 to 9, and the base is 10. The value of each digit in a number is dependent on the following: the face value of a digit, the base of the number system, and the position of the digit in the number. So, for example, we take it as 5319. The number is 5319. We're going to be starting with the rightmost digit, 9, and we start with 0. 9 into 10 raised to the power 0. See, we start from 0, 1, 2, 3. It gives me 9 into 1, which is 9. Then 1 into 10 raised to the power 1 will give me 1 into 10, which is 10. 3 into 10 raised to the power 2 gives me 3 into 100, which is 300. And finally, 5 into 10 raised to the power 3, which is 5 into 1000, gives me 5000. The next step is that you add all these numbers and you write the sum. But you don't write 10 in the answer. It will be 5319. 10 won't be there while writing the answer. Binary number system. It consists of 2 digits, 0 and 1, and the base is 2. Computers use this number system and convert the input digit from the decimal format into its binary equivalent. But why binary? A computer cannot understand human language. It understands only the binary code. Therefore, the data that is entered into a computer is converted into its binary equivalent. It further converts the binary result into its decimal equivalent to generate an output to us so that we can read, because we can't read binary. Now in this we're going to be learning conversions of decimal to binary and binary to decimal. So conversions of decimal to binary. Divide the given decimal number with the base 2. Write down the remainder and divide the quotient again by 2. Repeat the step 2 till the quotient is 0 and write the remainder so obtained in each step in the reverse order. It's very important to write it in the reverse order to form the binary equivalent of the given decimal number, placing the least significant digit at the top and the most significant digit at the bottom. Let's take an example of 25. We divide it, take the LCM, we divide it. So 2 into 12 gives us 24 and leaves the remainder 1 here. 2, 6 are 12, 0. 2 3s are 6, 0. 2 1s are 2 plus 1 gives us 3. 2 zeros are 1, 2 zeros are 0, not 1. 0 plus 1 gives us 1. The last digit is the most significant digit and this one is the least significant digit. So you start counting from here 1 1 0 0 1. And you always write the base in this conversion. You're gonna take it as the base of binary is 2. So we are going to write 2 here. And it's always written in subscript. Now let's move on to conversion of binary to decimal. Multiply each binary number with its positional value, which is in terms of power of 2. starting from the extreme right digit. Increase the power 1 by 1, keeping the base fixed as 2. And then you calculate the sum of all the products to get the decimal number. So 1010 and it's 2. So you will take it as 0 into 2 raised to the power 0. As the base is 2, 2 raised to the power 0, you will always start with 0. 1, 2, 3. 1 into 2 raised to the power 1, which is 2. 0. 0 into 2 raised to the power 2 is 0. 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 gives us 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 0 plus 0, 0. 10. And as the base of decimal is 10, you're going to write 10 as subscript. Octal number system consists of 8 digits, 0 to 7, and the base is 8. Hexadecimal number system consists of 16 digits from 0 to 9 and alphabets A to F. The base is 16 and this system is also known as hex. Now A to F represents the numbers 10 to 15. So A is 10, B is 11, C is 12, D is 13, E is 14 and F is 15. Important. 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble. 2 nibbles is 8 bits and 8 bits is 1 byte. Thank you.